Have you ever felt that quiet knot in your chest? The feeling that something isn't quite right? You notice small changes, shorter answers, more distance, less openness, and suddenly your mind starts filling in the gaps. If you're struggling with trust in your relationship, feeling insecure, unsure, or afraid they might be hiding something, you're not broken. Today, let's talk about why trust fades and how it can be rebuilt, slowly, safely, and honestly. Lack of trust rarely appears out of nowhere. It often grows from broken promises, past betrayals, inconsistent behavior, or emotional distance. When trust feels shaky, your brain goes into protection mode. You start scanning for danger, not because you want conflict, but because you want safety. Trust is emotional safety. Without it, even small things feel threatening. A late reply, a changed routine, a vague answer. Over time, insecurity can turn into anxiety, self-doubt, or constant questioning. And that doesn't mean you're controlling, it means you're human, trying to protect your heart. Trust isn't rebuilt through grand gestures, it's rebuilt through consistency, small actions, repeated honesty, and time. Let's talk about what actually helps. Rebuilding trust starts with honesty, even when it's uncomfortable. That means answering questions clearly, admitting mistakes, saying what you feel instead of hiding it. Honesty isn't about perfection, it's about openness. Promises matter, especially the small ones. When words and actions don't match, trust weakens. But when someone follows through consistently, safety begins to return. If you can't keep a promise, explain it. Reliability builds reassurance. Transparency creates closeness. Share what you're doing, who you're spending time with, how your day actually went, not as surveillance, but as connection. When nothing feels hidden, insecurity has less room to grow. Trust doesn't come back all at once. It grows slowly, through repeated proof that things are different now. Set realistic expectations, celebrate progress, and remember, healing isn't linear. Trust can be damaged, but it can also be rebuilt, with honesty, with consistency, with patience. You deserve a relationship where you feel safe, secure, and at peace, and healing starts with small, steady steps.